We start with a dark brick background image. To add text, we select T, or we can actually select T on our keyboard, and we can select the area where we want our text. We're going to type in outline. Kind of line it up real quick. About there. Now go over to the text box, right click, select blending options, and the layer style will come up. You can select stroke, and you can see we have now an outline of the text in a yellow stroke. We're going to back out of that. I'm going to show you another way. We can also go over to the text layer and double click, and the same menu pops up. We can select stroke, and here we can, under advanced blending, we can actually turn off the fill on the inside to where we only have the text showing on the outside. Now what happens if you want to change the color of that text? Just simply go over to the stroke right here, click on it, and now you can change it to whatever color you want. Say for example you want a green, and now we have a green outline. This outline also works on shapes. This whole process is non-destructive, so you can change any of the steps you have done. If you want to learn more, watch the bonus video on how to outline text in Photoshop bonus tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.